Guys, what is up? What is good? So I decided to go ahead and do a quick little get ready with me, and time is of essence right now, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. You guys, I don't even have my eyebrows done. Being I was trying to go to the nail salon today, I found this new girl that knows how to literally, like, she waxes them to perfection, but unfortunately she was not in today. So I'm just gonna have to work with what I have and just envision the brow. Just envision the brow. That's what you have to do when you have a lot of hair on there, and you know, whatever. But we're gonna make some magic happen. So I decided to do a get ready with me video. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. You guys, I am not used to honestly talking and trying to do my makeup. And also, if you guys see me, this is hard. Also, if you guys see me with my mouth open, that's how you know that I am concentrating. Because I swear it always looks like I'm about to like catch flies with my mouth. And all about eyebrows, guys, it doesn't even have to be perfect whenever you pencil it in. Let me tell you why. 'Cause that's why you use concealer to clean it up. Literally, concealer is like the lifesaver. If I wanted to draw these things like all messed up and not even, you could easily go back there. It's like concealer is like literally your magic eraser. So today I'm not really going for like a heavy makeup look. I have somewhere to be today, and unfortunately it's not somewhere that I would rather be, and I don't want to talk about it right now because I'm not trying to cry on camera. So just know that I have somewhere to be. So yeah, that's all I have done today. Thank God the sun is actually going down today, so it's not as freaking hot. So I've been wearing my short mommy bob wig lately because it's been like really hot outside. But now that it's actually in the 80s outside, which is freaking perfection in my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and whip out the long wig just for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up, you guys, and I'm gonna get back to you. So as you guys already can see, your eyebrows are not gonna look the same, and if they are, then you are freaking genius, okay? They ain't gonna look like twins, they gonna look like sisters. But I'm gonna use this concealer to try to get them as close as possible, so let's do this. Okay, guys, so that is how I do my eyebrows. It literally takes a minute, but we got it done and we're good. Like I said, you guys, honestly, you have to envision. That's what I do. I know it sounds weird. It's like envision. But literally, you guys have to envision what you feel that is perfect on your face. So That's just what you gotta do. I'm gonna go ahead, since I'm not really doing a heavy makeup today, any heavy makeup today, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. Let me move this on back. I'm gonna start on this side first. Well, you know, I'm gonna dot it around because you don't want it to be too heavy anywhere. And literally, I just do one pump. I don't like to do like a heavy dose of foundation. I don't want it to look like I'm wearing a mask. Honestly, I did that before. And my husband was like, man, you put on way too much. Like, you looking a little bit crazy out here. And I was like, what? So I sort of learned that sometimes less is freaking better than more. Plus the goal is to look refreshed, oh my goodness. Sometimes I notice when I do like a lot of makeup or heavy makeup, at the end of the day, I start looking like, ooh, tired. Makes my skin look mad crazy, yo. That's why you guys gotta get you one of these, bump those beauty blenders. I mean, I feel like I have more control with this than a beauty blender. Let me say booty blender. Okay, so you guys remember that MAC thing that I told you on the last video where I told you I don't really know the colors, but these are the colors that I'm going with. It's the one that you can actually pick your own colors, and then it was like a cheap price, so I was like, yeah, I'll just take 4. Basically, I'm trying to go with like a natural look. I'm not trying to go too heavy, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this color, which is like a light brown. Whenever you go on your lid, I don't like, when I'm trying to go for like a natural look, I don't want to go with any glitters or anything like that. I like it to be mattified as if it's my skin. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, you guys. Like I said, it's not gonna be cute. Honestly, it's not gonna be like super pigmented because, like I said, I'm trying to go for more of a natural look. I want to look like I have like little to nothing on there. Girl, literally got 15 minutes to make this happen. Get ready. I'm gonna do it for y'all. I'm gonna do it. Sometimes I have to remember to close my mouth. Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and use this. It's like a really light brown color. It's not really too bad. So this is going to be a light look, you guys, like straight up, nothing too heavy. And you actually don't want to go heavy in with it because, like I said, you want it to be like a natural smoky eye. You don't want it to be like a heavy ass smoky eye. So that's why we're going with the light browns. See? I'm going with today, you guys. I'll do underneath my eyes, and that's it, straight up. And I'm gonna go right underneath my waterline, okay? Because this isn't really a makeup tutorial, this is just a get ready with me video. And the dress that I chose is really cute. It's like a, just found out, I like the colors. It's like a mustard yellow, which is really pretty. Looks like it's gonna rain outside. So next I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes, guys. So I literally have 10 minutes to go. So this is not gonna be cute. It's gonna be fast and to the point. Sorry guys, if you guys can't see me, it's because I have to literally hurry up. Hold on. Napkin. What happened right now? I told you my mom should be here. Just gonna pop on my eyeliner sheet. And I know there's some people that I watch that do their little makeup tutorials. They make it seem so damn hard, like you have to do all these damn steps. It's not that freaking hard. These lashes on, baby. I'm gonna do the eyelashes off camera because I ain't got time, you guys. I literally have time's just going away from me. I'm gonna get back to you guys. Hold on. Okay guys, so I'm gonna have my eyelashes on, and don't pay attention to the white because that will dry. So literally, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this look off with my powders and with my lips, and then we're gonna be all done for today. Literally, I mean, I don't have to put on a ton of makeup, and that's just literally all that I do. A lot of people, I feel like when they have to put like layers and layers of damn foundation and concealer and all that other stuff. Like right now, I'm not even using concealer right now. I'm just gonna use a powder to finish it off. But that's just me. A lot of people, they have bad skin. But I'll honestly say it's because they suffocate a lot with wearing the makeup and stuff, and instead of getting their skin taken care of, they just cover that bad boy up with some makeup and clog their little pores. Nah. I wash my face every night. Sometimes I am guilty of sleeping with my makeup on. That's if I'm having a really rough night. But no. Cause first off, I don't like to get my pillows and shit all nasty and stuff. Some people try. And also, when it's really hot outside, I don't put a ton of makeup on either because, like I told you guys, I don't want that shit like seeping into my pores. Nah, bruh. Ain't nothing worse than a female with some bad skin. Mama gotta be like, what is you doing, baby? And you guys already know I don't really do all that contouring. Nah. Like I told you, woman, a natural look. That's pretty much it, you guys. Go ahead and do my lips. I'm gonna go with this, what color is this? New York. That's what it says it is. New York. It's actually by Creamlicious Triple Butter. But yeah, those lips stick on. It's like a nude color. Thing with nudes, see that? Sometimes I feel like I need a liner with it. But I'll be able to tell once I put it on. Yeah, I'm gonna do a liner. Go ahead and do a look for you guys without the lashes, but I'm just gonna do this for right now. Like I told you guys, I got some more to be. Alright, and that is it, you guys. That's it. Literally, this look was done. It took me about 10-15 minutes, I would say. Could have been faster. But I'm gonna get back to you guys. Let me go ahead and throw on my wig, put on my outfit, and then we're just gonna finish this vlog off, okay? Logging off. Okay, you guys, so that is gonna be it for this tutorial. Once I leave here, I'm gonna show you guys the full outfit with my get ready with me. I wasn't able to film, well, no, I was gonna take you guys along with me to see me, you know, put on my clothes and all the other stuff. But this is basically the look. It's something simple, quick, and to the point, especially for fall. So if you're not into all the bright colors and you're going with more of a neutral, I would definitely recommend a look like this. And I hope that you guys all enjoy this video. So you guys already know what I'm gonna say. If you're a new subscriber, you guys happen to stumble across my page, please feel free to like, comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, you guys. And also that notification bell. Don't forget to thumbs up the video because that really helps. And if you have been rocking with me, thank you guys so much. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I do have to go. I told you guys earlier I'm pressed for time. So stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the full outfit. And I'm going to go ahead and close this thing on out. So I'll see you guys all later. And thank you so much for tuning in with me today. Bye, guys.